This is Thursday, August 20th, I think, at Riverwalk. There's the girls. Say hi, girls. Okay. And run through. Run. Oh, they're all going to run. Okay. Running through the sprinklers. Trying to keep our pants on. Okay. Come back. Take your time. Was that fun?
Can you go one more time with Isla?
Go with Isla. Celeste likes playing with Isla. On your mark, get set, go! Okay. I hope I don't get too much fog on my... God, these are awful sprinklers, though. They get everything wet. There she comes. All right. Hi, can you two girls say hi? Hi, camera.
Hi, camera.
Hi.
Okay, one more time with Mom.
One more time with Mama. There we go. She said it. There you see Isla? Okay. Go. Okay. Come on back. Isla jumped. There she. Oh, she fell. Good one. Celeste, was that fun?
Was that fun, sweetie?
Look at the camera. Go. You're getting all wet. There goes Isla getting all wet. Do it again. Oh. There they go. I'm not going to do that, that's for sure. Come on back. Okay. Don't slip.
She likes the wet one.
There she goes. Oh, does she want to walk through? They're having fun. And now we'll stop. Well, let's see. Okay. She chickened out. Maybe we'll get a little bit more. Okay. There we go. Oh, I'll stop there.